In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to HubSpot. First, start by logging into your HubSpot account. You will see a dashboard filled with various tools and features designed to help you manage your customer relationships effectively. This action is essential because it gives you access to all the integration settings you'll need. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where everything is located will save you time later. Now, let's move on to the next step. Next, look for the settings icon, which is represented by a gear symbol. You can find this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to the settings page where you can configure various aspects of your HubSpot account. This step is crucial because it opens the door to all integration options available within HubSpot. Once you click on the settings icon, you will be directed to a new interface filled with categories on the left side. From there, navigate to the Integration section and then click on Connected Apps. This part of HubSpot allows you to manage all the applications that work together with your HubSpot account. By connecting apps like Zoom, you can streamline your workflows and improve productivity. Integrations are essential because they help to centralize your tools, making it easier to manage your communications and data. After you click on Connected Apps, you will see a list of any existing integrations you currently have in place. Now click on Visit App Marketplace. This action will lead you to a vast selection of applications that can be integrated with HubSpot. Here, you can explore various tools that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Searching for specific applications will allow you to find what you need quickly. After you click on Visit App Marketplace, a new window will open, showcasing all the available apps you can connect with. Next up, in the search bar at the top of the App Marketplace, type in Zoom to find the integration. This step is important because it narrows down the options, allowing you to find the specific app quickly. Once you see Zoom, you will notice the details about the app, including its features and how it works with HubSpot. This information can help you understand the benefits of connecting Zoom to your HubSpot account. After searching, locate the Zoom app in the list. After that, click on the Connect App button next to the Zoom listing. This action will initiate the connection process between HubSpot and your Zoom account. It's a straightforward click, but it sets the stage for further authentication and permissions. This is a key moment because without clicking this button, the integration won't proceed. Once you click Connect App, you will be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account. At this point, sign into your Zoom account using your credentials. You will enter your email and password. This step ensures that HubSpot can securely access your Zoom account. Security is always a priority, so make sure you enter your information carefully. After you sign in, you will see a screen requesting permission for HubSpot to access your Zoom account. Once you allow HubSpot access, you will be taken back to HubSpot. This step is necessary for integrating the two platforms fully. You are essentially giving HubSpot permission to manage your Zoom data, which helps streamline your processes. After granting access, you will see a confirmation that HubSpot is now connected to your Zoom account. Finally, click on the Connect button to complete the integration. This action solidifies the link between HubSpot and Zoom, allowing you to leverage both platforms together. Once you click Connect, you will receive a confirmation indicating that the integration is successful. With that done, you can now enjoy the benefits of using Zoom within HubSpot.